Back here with the Aprilia ditech motor build and resurrection of the '03 ditech Aprilia. So I got the motor all painted. Man, it turned out all right. But I think in a couple of years, when I do get the right money, you know, I'm going to send it in for powder coat. It don't look bad. I did get a little bit of paint in some areas that you're not technically supposed to, but it's not really going to hurt anything, I'm pretty sure. Key issues, big key issues. When you put this all together, man, make sure that crankshaft turns nice and freely. Because if it don't, you're going to lock the bearings right up. There's just no ifs, ands, or buts getting around it. Always pre-lube. I bought this Permatex Ultra Slick motor build stuff. You can use 2-stroke oil for the bearings. It's not an issue. Hell, you can even actually use 4-stroke oil for it if need be. I got the brake calipers finished. One of them got nicked a little bit. I don't think it's going to be a big deal. The problem I had when I went to assemble is the air pump block. When I cleaned those, I stuck them in mineral spirits, and what happened is that it swelled the O-ring up. I bought a standard O-ring. Didn't work out quite too well because you'd have to use longer bolts. I don't like that. So I measured the ID and the OD of the O-ring. I think it was 42 millimeter ID, 45 millimeter OD, pretty sure. But when I ordered them, it only came in a pack of 10, so now I got extra ones. But being that this is a ditech motor, fuel injected, we all know we do not want any kind of leaks at all. So I didn't want to run the risk of trying to put a bigger O-ring in there. You know, it's just, I'm not going to do it. My next thing is obviously the water pump housing. I got 2 of these for the morini. This is the morini motor. I think this one feels pretty good. No backlash or nothing in it. I'm just gonna probably, I don't know, hit it with a Scotch-Brite pad, maybe some brake cleaner, and clean it up really good. I got the rebuild kit for it, so I'm not really too worried about that. But once I get this done, man, I'll get it put on the scoot. I did order titanium bolts for my brake calipers. Man, those things are $15 a piece. So if you're gonna do a build correct. When I get this motor on, I'll take pictures, another video, and stuff like that. All right, thank you guys. See you later.